Good morning, Saugus. I'm Cash Overturf. Today is Tuesday, February 17th.
And I'm Austin Judd. This is SNN, live from D5.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about the Chinese Lunar New Year.
Lunar New Year 2026 begins the year of the horse, a zodiac sign often connected with energy, determination, and confidence. The horse symbolizes movement and progress, making the year feel fast-paced and full of opportunity. Many people see it as a time to take bold steps forward and chase goals with enthusiasm.
The holiday is celebrated in many cultures across Asia and around the world. Traditions often include family reunions, large festival meals, red decorations for luck, fireworks, and performances like the lion and dragon dances. Red envelopes filled with money are also commonly given as a symbol of good fortune and blessings for the year ahead.
At its heart, Lunar New Year is about renewal and connection. It marks a fresh start, encouraging people to leave behind negativity and welcome prosperity, health, and happiness. The celebration blends deep cultural traditions with joyful community spirit, making it one of the most widely celebrated holidays in the world. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
The Zonda Club of Santa Clarita Valley Young Women in Public Affairs Award is awarding scholarships to young women ages 16 and up. To apply, visit the counseling office or visit the website seen below.
The Jacob Zamora Foundation has a scholarship for high school seniors with a GPA between 2.5 and 3.4. For those interested, applications can be picked up in the counseling office. The applications are due through mail to the Jacob Foundation by Monday, March 9th.
Valley Trail Summer Camp is now hiring for the 2026 summer. They are looking for students, leaders, positive role models, and those ready to make a difference. Working at Valley Trails offers hands-on experience, building communication, leadership, and problem-solving skills, all while having fun and exciting summer. Interested students can learn more and apply at the link listed below. Now, let's head over to Coleen Westcott with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Coleen Westcott here with this week's ASB Minute. Seniors, Universal Grad Night tickets are on sale now for $150. You can purchase a ticket online or in-store at the ASB office. In other news, ASB is having weekly drives for various organizations in SCV and beyond throughout the month of February. This week's drive is a blanket drive, so if you have any clean blankets you'd like to donate, please drop them off in the ASB office so we can give them to those in need. Next week's drive will be for food supplies, but more on that later. Lastly, come to the outdoor stage at brunch on Friday for a muffin eating contest. That's all from me. Now let's go to Cole Stadler with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Coleen. Good morning. I'm Cole Stadler with today's Saugus Sports Update. Spring sports are soon to come. Any seniors with photos from games during the fall or winter seasons, or even from senior night, can be submitted to the senior slideshow by sending the photo to the SNN Instagram or email listed below. That's all for me. Now let's go to Chase Dell with another edition of Cooking with Casseroles.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Stadler, cooking for SNN. Today, we are going to make a cornbread casserole.
You will need 1 box of sweet corn mix, 1 can of cream corn, 1 can of whole kernel corn, 1 cup of sour cream, and half a cup of butter, and 2 eggs. Remember to wash your hand before you begin. Preheat your oven to 350. Melt the butter in a microwave-safe container for 45 seconds. Softly beat the 2 eggs. Open the can of whole kernel corn and drain. Dump the eggs, melted butter, the sour cream, the drained corn, and the creamed corn in a bowl. Then add the cornbread mix, then stir until it's fully mixed. After it's fully mixed, add the mix into a 9x13 pan that's greased. Put the pan into an oven for 50 minutes. After the 50 minutes is up, take the pan out and cut and serve.
Aw, shucks, this is really delicious. This has been Stadler, cooking with SNN. Now, let's go back to our anchors.
That looks quite delectable, Chase.
The free application for federal student aid priority deadline is Monday, March 2nd. All seniors planning to attend a 4-year college, 2-year community college, or technical or trade school should work with their parents to submit the FAFSA by the deadline. Applications can be submitted at the link listed below.
The Hagen Scholarship is for motivated high school seniors who need financial help and do well in school. To qualify, parents' total income in 2024 must be $125,000 or less. You must be planning to attend a 4-year college in the fall and need to work 240 hours at a job between January 1st and September 1st this year. To apply, visit the link listed below or visit the counseling office. The application is due March 15th.
Project Linus is hosting a nonprofit Make a Blanket Day, where students can receive service hours for making blankets to donate to those in need. The day will be March 28 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the COC East Gym.
Now let's go to a promo for the Hart District Film Festival.
Butter me up and call me a biscuit.
I'm FBI.
Go, go, go. Just because I really love you, baby. I love you.
A film festival? I heard Micaiah will be making a film.
Really?
That's all for today. I'm Cash Overturf. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Austin Judd. Remember, have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.